is equal to 191. Now you were told to rewrite this as a logarithmic equation. Remember what I said, that x over here, this is your base, and y is your exponent, and then this 91, this is here. Are we fine?
Yes.
Okay. Right. Maybe you can just go ahead and mute all your mics, and then if you have a question, unmute it. Okay. So this 191, this is your argument. And when you want to rewrite an exponential equation as a logarithm, the subject of the formula is always your exponent. Somebody wants to join. Let me just admit them. Okay, so the subject of the formula is always the exponent. So I will say y is equal to log of the base. The base is x, and then the argument 191. So that is how I would write that one. Okay, so the others, I would do them in pretty much the same way. Number 2, y to the power of x, this is equal to 1. So I follow the same procedure. The exponent is equal to log to the base. Here my base is y, so log to the base y, this is equal to 1. Number 3, let's go down. Number 3, x to the power of minus 13 is equal to y. Okay, so again, log to the base of the argument, this is equal to minus 13. So you can also start minus 13 is equal to that. In either case, minus 13 is the subject of the formula. Number 4, 17 squared is equal to 289. Okay, so the exponent is the subject. 2 is equal to log of the base, which is 17, and the argument, this is 289. Then number 5, square root of 36 is equal to 6. Maybe in the on e-learning or square root of 16, I'm not sure, but the procedure that you'll do it is exactly the same. Square root of 36 is equal to 6. You need to just remember that square root of 36, you can write this as an exponent. So this is the same as 36 to the power of half is equal to 6. Square root means to the power of half. Then your answer is still exponent is equal to log to the base of 36 of 6. And that is how you would do this one. Let me see if I can enable a chat, then you guys can make comments. Okay, there's a chat over there. Should be on the right, or you can click on the chat icon there. So if you have any questions at any point, then you can still just type them in there. Okay, let's move on. The second question, question 2. The first one, I have log 550. This is equal to k. Now I'm doing the opposite. I have to rewrite this as an exponential equation. So here you just need to remember again, this is, somebody wants to join. Let me admit them. Okay. That 5 is the base, and the subject of the formula is your exponent, and then that is your argument. So it is always base exponent is equal to argument. So that's how you would rewrite it. Number 2, I have log the base 9, 1 over 81. This is equal to minus 2. So again, it is base to the power of the exponent. This is equal to the argument. So very simple. The third one, log 169, 13. This is equal to a half. Then again, it is base exponent. This is equal to 13. And you see, power of half means a square root. So the square root of 13 is, sorry, the square root of 169 is 13. And number 4, I have log x is equal to y. Here, mention that if the base is not written, here you can see there's no base written, unlike the previous questions that we did. This means that the base is equal to 10. And this is what we call a common logarithm. So this is a common logarithm. Okay, so it's not a mistake. This is the same as log 10 of x is equal to y. And then to rewrite it as an exponential equation, it is just base 10 exponent y is equal to my argument. And then the last one, 5, ln of x is equal to y. Now ln of x, this is the natural logarithm. So it is the natural log. And natural because the base is the number e. You can press that on your calculator. It is, let me see, 2.7 something something. Okay, and this is the same as log base e of x is equal to y. So ln is just a shorter way of writing log base e. This part over here is the same as ln. And when we rewrite it as an exponential equation, we do it in exactly the same way. It is base exponent is equal to the argument. And that's it. So I'm sure you got all those right because they're not too difficult. Now, if we don't have any questions, we will move on to the next thing.